Pascal, believe at his feet. That was a dangerous rebound. Evans up top. Oh! Look at the 18-year-old Alan Smilagic. Take a look at Smilagic going up. Throwing it down.
It was a little behind.
A 6-point lead. Back they come. They've got numbers. They've got Evans at the rim.
Good. Tell him. More Carolina guys.
Poole thinks about pulling. Okay. Poole drives, takes it hard to the cup left hand, gets the friendly roll. Jordan Poole. He's now got 10.
Put away on the out of bounds. Smilagic to defend. What a block by Smilagic for a guy who's got to go back to Serbia to complete his high school education.
Great block.
Doing some educating himself.
Ways off because those shots are getting challenged. You know, anytime you take a shot, a challenge. Oh, there you go.
What a follow.
There you go.
Buku. Deep Sundu. Get and draw a foul, but tell me what you see here.
Well, there's no block out. I get a free run.
Second quarter for the Lakers. They can't get anything to go, and then they get one off glass, and a buzzer beater is good. McClain. And
A little over 10 points per game playing for Frank. And if you play for Frank Martin, you're tough, as Wigington went airborne again.
Interesting, they really haven't had half-court offense in a while. It's been all defense and transition.
Tough jumper, nothing but net.
Monk, Coach Norad, who's coaching the Charlotte Summer League team, told the Charlotte Observer, here's Poole again, and
He's cooked!
Gal loses the handle, gets it up to Reed, 4 on the shot clock. Reed in the paint, out to Poole with one of the shot clock fires, and buries it off the window.
It's been a minute since he hit a shot, but he'll take it any way he can get it.
Yes, sir.
We start the fourth quarter. Golden State. Defense into offense. Travis Ware, the throwdown.
as great as a lot of these guys are, to be a first ballot Hall of Famer is rare, and a lot of guys have to wait 10 years, 12 years to make the Hall of Fame. And a jam by Golden State's Washburn, and they're back up by 3. Very least in the discussion, but you're my guy. I'll give you credit. Okay. The Bad Boys were the best defensive team of all time, and what a finish right there. Spinning, twisting, Juan Toscano Anderson.